When I got pregnant, I was told there would be glowing. I had visions of gorgeous pregnant celebrity Instagram pics dancing in my head. The reality? I looked and felt more like a sweaty hippopotamus. I had to learn the hard way that the perfect pregnant body is a myth. And all of those beauty benefits touted regarding pregnancy, the glowing, long luscious locks and such, they all have seedy or dark sides. The glowing. So, the glowing thing, is that even real? Yes, and the source of all that glowing is not just from the happiness and pride of growing a new life, it is also from sweat and oil. Seriously. Many women experience an increase in facial oil during the course of their pregnancy. The sheen of this oil can easily be mistaken for a healthy glow. This oil can also result in an increase in acne, yay. Luckily I dodged this particular bullet, but the alternative was that my skin was as dry as the Saharan desert. As you approach the third trimester and get larger than you ever thought possible, your tolerance to heat leaves the proverbial building. The result, you end up sitting in nothing but panties and a bra on the couch with a fan blowing at you, while your husband shivers and moans about the new lower AC setting. Lustrous luscious locks. Another well-known gift from the pregnancy gods is long luscious locks. Yes, this is a thing. This is the result of pregnancy hormones halting hair loss, luscious, and sebaceous oil glands kicking into overdrive, lustrous. So yes, you may in fact experience a higher frequency of good hair days during your pregnancy. The downside? These same changes can apply to hair anywhere on your body. Legs, armpits, your belly, and yes, down there too. Nothing says sexy like long silky armpit hair. So break out your razors or do what I did and wear long pants all summer to avoid the necessity of twice daily leg hair shaving sessions. Another fun fact about your new gorgeous hair, it won't last. Once the baby pops out, you can say sayonara to your beautiful locks. When the hormones fade, you will resume losing hair, and because you have several months worth of surplus, you will soon find yourself shedding like an Arctic animal losing its winter coat. Long nails. In addition to your longer, fuller, glossy hair, your fingernails will also see a growth spurt. They will lengthen into lovely nails a James Bond-esque seductress might sport. The downside to all this growth? Your nails may become brittle, soft, and deformed. They will require constant maintenance to keep at an even height and uniform state. Oh, and just like the hair thing, these changes will also apply to your toenails. I found myself constantly trimming and filing my toenails. The nails on my big toes, in particular, insisted upon growing into sharp spikes. I'm certain I lost a few pairs of socks to seams shredded by my sharp toenails. Boobs. For the ladies that feel like their chest area resembles that of an adolescent boy, the promise of a new larger set of, insert breast euphemism of your choice here, can be exciting. The hormones that are a part of pregnancy all but guarantee larger knockers. I mean, the goal is for them to grow and fill with milk, so that you can feed baby. Looking forward to a larger bosom? Beware, there are downsides. In addition to needing to purchase new bras, which is insanely expensive, you can look forward to newfound back pain and boob cheese. Google that if you want to know, I'm not explaining it. And of course, your new growing tatas will be sore. In a used for punching bags kind of way. The thought of an increase in size might actually be horrifying. You might be staring at the tag of your current bra, wondering if there are enough letters in the alphabet to accommodate your potential growth. A fun fact about the growth, it is not just cup size that goes up, your band size may increase as well. This is due to your ribsage expanding to accommodate your organs, as everything gets shoved out of the way to make room for that watermelon you swallowed, aka baby. This makes the prospect of bra shopping even more difficult. I personally struggled with this, ending up with bras in 4 different sizes, and 0 fit right. My advice, whether you end up looking like an angel or a hippopotamus, embrace it. Hell, flaunt it. You are growing a tiny, needy human, and that is no small feat. And when you are asked later about how you looked and felt when pregnant, feel free to lie.